Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your UMIDIGI F1, at the first you have to open your clock. Next, let's activate, for example, this one. And if you want to customize, you have to click on this arrow. At the first, we can change hours and the minutes. We can also set the repeat, maybe only on the Friday. So let's unselect other days. We can adjust vibration, and we can also change sound and add label. Click OK. And as you can see, that's how we can turn on and customize alarm on this device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!